Oh, please back, okay? I need your water.
Somebody also just carry on. You see, it's your regular live stream. Just carry on. And I see you 1 a.m., 3 a.m., 5 a.m. Guy, they live stream. Just continue. Anytime you see the inspiration,
Girl,
just jump on the live stream.
are you
Before you
doing
know it,
what
you don't pick up.
doing what are you doing by that time?
You, what are you doing by that
Hmm?
time? What are you doing by that time?
I was hustling.
I'm also
I was
hustling. As you're
hustling. You
hustling,
and
I'm
my
also
shoe.
hustling. Now, only you won't hustle. I'm also hustling. Mhm.
Nice one. Nice one. How I hope after you have enough to rest. If I don't have enough time to rest, maybe 3 a.m. I am might come back tomorrow. Okay, I maybe come tomorrow. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Please give the live stream thumbs up, Chembia. Give the live stream thumbs up. Chine.
No,
Give
they
stream
suffer
a thumbs
yourself, I bet. No, they suffer
before you
yourself. Oh.
you don't go. I wanted to read my back to live stream from Monday in hands, but I was like, I have kind of hours. Let me do now. And those you see me too. A lot of people are sleeping already. Nigerians are of it. Africans are of it because already some people are already snoring. So I get that I'm mainly UA and the rest. So if I am able to live now, I will get everybody. Mostly anyone is free. Just my kind of calculation.
It's good. It's
My
good
calculation.
progress.
How
At
is it?
least small, small.
How is it? How is
Who?
it? Fee?
Ah, you no get a number. She do. I better
Sorry.
leave me alone. Make I leave you, make you
Thank
continue
God asked
your
me.
grok tutorial. Hmm?
God didn't ask me if they bring me. If I see my house now,
Be coming down, be coming down. Ma allow you do your grok tutorial. I won't learn that £3. This the way you say we go use get grok. Me self won't take am serious.
wahala. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Okay.
Eish.
Hey, I can hear you, my guy. Okay. City bad. Seriously, like, sorry, guys. Sorry. If you are watching, my name is Anthony. I am YouTuber based in Africa, Nigeria. I create amazing content, making money with AI. I'm doing a lot of things with AI. Most don't know that AI can actually replace a lot of us. The way AI is going on, AI is taking a lot of people's job. With AI, if you own a business, service, or company, I can make life so easy for you. Dollars, pounds, really, yeah, $3. Don't worry, that P don't enter her vein. So what she's saying, she's P all the times, guys. Whatever you are doing, are you students? Are you whatever you are doing? AI told your network is very bad and live stream is glitching. I'm so sorry. Is my Airtel route maybe? But maybe I have to end the stream and start all over again. Think, let me restart it and put in 5G. Thank you so much. Sorry, guys. I know it's not really watching a live that is shaking. Thank you for watching. Thank you, the Empire. Thank you, Coffee Girl TV. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you, Madam Mulom. Thank everyone that joined. Shout out to everyone. I have to end the live stream and start all over